Alright, peep game. Every week, Alex asking his brother, can he borrow a bean on the eye till payday? Every week, Alex asking his brother, can he borrow $100 until payday? And he get paid every 2 weeks. But see, his brother was tired of his shit. So he got on the phone and he started snapping on him. He like, look, I ain't giving you it this time. First of all, you need to get your credit together. I've been telling you about credit for a long ass time and you ain't listen. You got a bad weed habit. You need to stop asking people for money. You could be borrowing money from your damn self. Download Credit Karma or some shit and get your credit together so then you can figure it out from there. Go get yourself a little debit card. That shit should boost it up like 100 points or whatever and figure it out. I don't know nothing about no damn credit. Hello? Hello? He was salty. But he ain't take his advice at first. He went and hopped on Tinder. He ain't look up credit or nothing. But then when he did, he ran into my video. Your broke ass probably out there asking people for money, ain't you? Get your credit together. See, that's the damn problem. Log in. He went to sleep. Like the fuck. He ain't had time for no nigga telling him what to do. But when he woke up, come to find out, now peep game, he got a 400 credit score. He owed 3 old bills, but he can't pay them all in full. So what he do is he go on a payment plan, and once he put them each all 3 on a payment plan through the app, his credit shoot up 15, 15, and then 25 points for all 3. Mind you, he could have paid off of the app as well, and he could have knocked each debt off individually as well. And he didn't have to just put all 3 on a payment plan. He could have just put 1 on a payment plan and each of them at a time, as much as he could afford. But the fact is, it's effort to grow your credit. Each month, your credit wound up lowering with these on your credit score, and it wound up adding interest as well. It might just go down a few points, but those few points matter over a time period. So what happens is, let's just say he put all 3 on a payment plan. Credit is nothing but trust what other people shit. Like if somebody give you something and you owe on it, they want to make sure that you're able to pay it, whether it's with a credit card or whether it's with a car loan or whatever, or a loan in itself, whatever. The fact is, they need to know that you can pay that back. It's like when you ask somebody for some bread and you got to give them their bread back with interest, like Alex here. Now, scammers are about to get mad, but I'm about to just put you down with a whole damn secret. Nobody had to teach me this. I learned this on my own, basically the same damn YouTube videos you're watching right now. Everybody talk about this secure debit and to try to sound smart, but it's the simplest information as hell. Now, you take $300 of your own damn money. Now, you send it to one of the debit cards that allows you to get one with your type of credit because your credit is trash. I ain't gonna lie. However, then they send you out a card with your $300 on it, and your credit shoot up about 90 to 100 points. There, I'm such a credit expert. About, let's say, 6 months to a year down the line, your credit is shitting on people. Now, you even got 2 secured debits, and your joint shot up another bean, and then you was paying the little bit down that you owed for those 3 bills on time every month. And your stuff, it just went up like 25 points, 50 points. One even got knocked off completely and it went up like 50 points on that. Like, you know what I'm saying? And now your credit is in shape. But what does that mean? That's what we about to get into. So he called his homie up. He like, yo, man, thanks for the information. I appreciate it. Because I came up off of getting my credit together. He like, yeah, just don't tell all your black friends about our secrets. Peace. Hello? Hello? Doesn't matter. Because now he's moving out the hood. See, one thing the government appreciate is you paying them back. See, the financial system, it loves somebody that it can be trusted with debt. The U.S. is built off of debt. So basically, since he was paying off that debt for a year straight on times, all the 3 of the inquiries got knocked off. His credit score shooted up. He all the way at the 800s now. He had got a new car with low interest. He had got a new crib. Now he able to move to the suburbs and stuff where they check your credit score and you can't move out there if you got a bad credit score. He been able to move to the suburbs now. He got a new job because some jobs even check your credit score. He even was able to get a $10,000 loan from the bank because of his credit score, and he got to pay that back with low interest. And he even got a credit card with about $20,000 limit. $20,000 limit that he paid back with low interest. And all it costed him was $300 a year ago. He able to start a business and fund his dreams. All with now free money. Like free money right here. $5 if you signed up for Cash App. If I was you, I signed up, use that code on the link in the bio, or use that code on your screen. You know what I'm saying? And you get $5 in your account. I send that joint right to my account and call it a day if you don't trust them or nothing like that. But that's easy money right there. But anyway, back to the video. Now, the moral to the story is Alex is chilling now. And he'll never got to ask for a loan again. Anyway, subscribe to the channel if you know. Hit the like button. And check out all the content on this channel, especially the Lyft videos, putting y'all with free game. Share careers. Time to get some money, we just riding around city.